Who owns Sinclair Broadcast Group? Have you ever wondered who really controls the media you consume every day? Let's take a closer look at the ownership of Sinclair Broadcast Group and its implications in the world of capitalism. Sinclair Broadcast Group is a publicly traded company, which means it is owned by shareholders who hold its stock. This stock is listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol SBGI. The ownership structure is quite interesting. Approximately 78% of Sinclair is held by institutional investors. These include investment firms, mutual funds, and pension funds. Individual insiders, such as key executives and board members, own about 10%. The remaining 12% is owned by retail investors and smaller entities. At the helm of Sinclair are Executive Chairman David D. Smith and Chief Executive Officer Christopher S. Ripley. The influence of the founding family is still present, as the descendants of Julian Sinclair Smith have a role in the company's governance. This blend of public ownership with family influence adds a unique layer to how the company operates. In 2023, Sinclair restructured into a holding company called Sinclair, Incorporated. This change aimed to provide more flexibility and transparency in managing its diverse media assets, which include television stations, sports networks, and digital platforms. From a capitalism perspective, Sinclair Broadcast Group serves as a prime example of a large-scale media conglomerate functioning in a competitive market. The dominance of institutional investors shows how capital markets play a role in resource allocation and corporate governance. The presence of family descendants among the controlling interests indicates that private ownership can coexist within a public company. Sinclair's extensive reach is noteworthy. It owns or operates nearly 200 television stations, covering about 40% of households in the United States. This scale gives Sinclair a significant advantage in advertising, content distribution, and negotiating power. It illustrates how capital investment and market consolidation shape media ownership and control. The ownership structure means that Sinclair's strategic decisions are influenced by large institutional investors focused on financial returns. At the same time, the operational leadership and founding family influence play a role in the company's direction. Being a public company also subjects Sinclair to market pressures for profitability, transparency, and growth, which drive its business strategies and expansion efforts. Understanding who owns Sinclair Broadcast Group provides insight into the broader implications of capitalism in media ownership. It highlights how ownership structures can influence the content we see and the narratives that shape public discourse.